A big thank you to Curl for sponsoring this video. In this video, I'm going to take you through my wavy hair routine and share all of my best tips for beginners. I'm going to start my routine by shampooing my hair. First, I'll saturate my hair with water. Then I'm going in with a Curl shampoo. I'll apply the shampoo to my scalp. Using gentle pressure, I'll start massaging my scalp with my fingertips. Massaging your scalp while you shampoo your hair will stimulate blood flow to the scalp. This is an important step that not only ensures that you get a thorough cleanse, remove dirt, buildup and debris, but also stimulates hair growth. If you have an oily scalp with super dry lengths, make sure to focus the shampoo on your scalp. While you wash the shampoo off, it'll trickle down your hair lengths. This is sufficient to clean the lengths of your hair. However, if you suffer from product buildup on your hair lengths, you can take extra care to gently work the shampoo into your hair lengths as well before washing it off. Next, I'm going in with the Curl Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. Let's bust one myth about conditioners. We often hear of instances where people do not use conditioning products altogether. The myth is that conditioners cause hair fall. The reality is, wavy and curly hair are naturally dry. To moisturize your hair, conditioning becomes an essential and important step in your routine. Just make sure to focus your shampoo on your scalp, whereas your conditioners go on your hair lengths. Start applying a few inches away from the scalp. We often see people making the mistake of applying conditioners directly to the scalp. Note that doing this will not only weigh your hair down, but it will also make it look limp and lack volume. It can also clog your scalp in the process. Try to avoid this mistake and do not apply directly to your scalp. As you can see, I've taken a generous scoop of the mask on the palm of my hands, emulsified the product and applied it to my hair lengths. Here I'm also detangling my hair. Gently run my hands down the lengths of my hair and finger detangle, making sure not to cause any unnecessary breakage. Take it easy and go slow. Note that it's very normal to lose hair while detangling. Remember that you're not combing or brushing your hair on non-wash days. Whatever hair is already shed during the week is probably still stuck and confined to the respective curl clump. While detangling, it's normal for these strands of hair to come loose. You're most likely not going to be losing any hair in between wash days. So don't flip out if you lose hair during detangling. As long as you're not ripping your hair out by rough handling, it's alright. Once my hair is fully detangled, I'll squish to condish. I'll gently squeeze my hair in an upward motion. Check for that squishy sound. If you don't hear the squishy sound and water doesn't burst out of your hair, add more water and then start squishing. This is going to encourage your curls to form. If you have wavy hair, do not underestimate this step. On days when I forget to squish to condish, my curl clumps are much looser, my hair lacks definition. Okay, so now I'm going to put my hair into 2-strand twists. This is another extremely important step for beginners who are looking to train their curls. Then I'll clip my hair up and let the hair mask sit in my hair for 5 to 10 minutes. This is called deep conditioning, another important step for people who have extremely dry hair, who are looking to deeply treat and moisturize their waves and curls. After 5 minutes, I'll wash the mask off thoroughly. I'm out of the shower now. I'm going to start styling my hair. So why is styling important for naturally wavy hair? I'll answer this with a picture. If I do not style my hair, this is what it would look like after it dries. Most people with naturally wavy hair misinterpret their hair as being straight but poofy. And so for most of our lives, we treat our hair like straight hair and then get upset when it doesn't behave, looks frizzy or unruly. So to bring out your natural wave pattern, it is important to follow a styling routine. Now, wavy hair can be categorized as 2A hair, 2B hair, and 2C hair. So this is a half up, half down styling routine. When I want extra volume, I use this technique. Here I'm using 2 products, the Curl Curl Defining Cream and the Curl Ultra Defining Hair Gel. Starting on wet hair, I'll style my hair in 4 sections. I'll work on the bottom left and right sections first. Spritz my hair down with water and comb through to ensure that there are no tangles in my hair. Next, I'll take a pea-size amount of the Curl Curl Defining Cream on the palm of my hands and emulsify it thoroughly. I'll apply it to my hair lengths, after which I'll use some gel on my hair lengths. Let's answer another question here. Should you use the Curl Curl Defining Cream or should you use the Curl Curl Defining Hair Gel? Or do you have to use both? The answer is, it all depends on how much moisture your hair needs. If your hair needs a tiny bit of moisture, you can use the gel alone. Whereas if your hair needs extra moisture, it's a good idea to use both. Now that I'm done applying both products, I'm going to create my curl clumps. A curl clump is a family of hair that stays together in a curl. Taking adequate care to create your curl clumps is very important for achieving good definition. I'm moving in vertical sections. If you have low to medium density hair, this step will help you achieve extra bounce and volume. Here I'm creating my curl clumps using a wide tooth comb. Let's answer another FAQ here. What is the difference between wavy and curly hair? And does this difference impact how we style it? The answer is this. People with wavy hair have a looser curl or texture pattern, whereas people with curly hair have a tighter curl pattern. Wavy haired people can follow the same techniques as curly hair people. Product-wise, wavy hair will need lighter products compared to curly hair. In wavy hair, thicker curl clumps look nice in my opinion. This is precisely why I'm using a comb with wide teeth to create my curl clumps instead of using a brush. Once I'm done styling both right and left sections, I'll start styling my top sections. Here I'm working section by section, letting my hair down, applying the curl up curl defining cream and the ultra defining hair gel, just as I did before, and then I'll use a wide tooth comb to create my curl clumps, after which I'll scrunch. Once I'm done with this step, I'll take all of my hair to one side and scrunch. Note that I'm flipping from side to side as well as upside down here. This will give me a lot more volume and definition. Again, while scrunching, you want to hear that squishing sound. If you don't hear the sound, your hair probably needs more water. So keep spritzing your head on periodically to keep it wet during the entire process. Next, I'll micro plop my hair with a cotton t-shirt. In this step, I'm going to squeeze out the excess water using a large cotton t-shirt. This will cut down my drying time as well as remove some of the weight from the water in my hair. I'll go in with another layer of gel after I'm done microplopping. This is so that I get a good strong cast and hold from the gel. This is what my hair looks like after I'm done styling. Now I'm going to plop my hair. In this step, I'll wrap my hair in the oversized cotton t-shirt. You can leave the plop on for as little as 5 minutes. You can also leave the plop on for as much as 30 minutes. You'll need to experiment and see what works best. Leaving it on for far too long may cause you to have wonky curl definition. So I would recommend some trial and error in this step to find what your hair likes best. After 15 minutes, I'm going to take the plop off. Then I'll use a diffuser to dry my hair. I'll start by hovering the diffuser around my top lengths. Then I'll dry my mid to bottom lengths. I usually keep my diffuser on the low fan and no heat setting, meaning the air coming out of the diffuser is cold. This removes all chances of heat damage. Once my hair is formed a cast, I'll start pixie diffusing. I'll place a few clumps into the bowl of the diffuser and bring the bowl towards my roots. This will ensure that my hair has great definition and shrinkage. Note that I avoid pixie diffusing for long periods of time. If I do, my hair dries unevenly. Some pieces shrink up way too much compared to the others, making the length look uneven. And so I personally diffuse for a maximum of 15 minutes, no more than that. Once I'm done diffusing, I air dry my hair rest of the way. My hair is dry now. I'm going to scrunch out the crunch using the curl up hair oil. As you can see, the gel has left a beautiful cast on my hair. This is called a gel cast. This is what keeps my curl clumps intact while drying, preventing frizz. The better the cast, the lower the frizz. To remove the gel cast, I scrunch my hair in an upward motion and then I start fluffing out my roots. This is going to remove the hard cast off the gel and leave me with soft curls. These are my results. I was able to achieve some beautiful volume and definition today. If you enjoyed the video and gained value, hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below.